Hi there, Chris Kenny here. Welcome to Money Monday. Want to give you a quick tip on how to quote a higher fee when you're quoting your services. I know that it's something that we talk about a lot, and there's a lot of mindset stuff. There's a lot of deep work in this in terms of worthiness and confidence and money shame and so on and so forth. But I want to give you something simple and something practical that will help you in terms of quoting a higher fee. One of the things that I did really early on when I was trying to figure this out is I really simply would visualize myself quoting the higher fee. I would use visualization and practice quoting the higher fee. And say you want to quote $5,000 for something, if you want to quote $5,000, I would visualize quoting 10. That's what I would do, because then the mind starts getting used to quoting the 10, quoting the 10, quoting the 10. And then when you quote the 5, you feel super confident. So what you're doing is you're with the visualization, you're starting to rewire and recondition the subconscious mind. Give it a try, do it repeatedly, and you'll see that your comfort zone around asking for that larger fee, it will expand, and that will serve you. I'm Chris Kenny, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.